For the latest updates on the Indian startup ecosystem, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.
From an entrepreneur who learned to code at the age of 9 to another who believes that hard work needs to be complemented with great timing. It's a mixed bag this week. Hello everyone, I'm Sutrishna.
I'm Debulina and here are the top stories from this week. Earlier this week, Your Story got in an exclusive interaction with Ratan Tata to talk about the role of youth and startups in finding solutions to end the crisis. The industrialist said that the pandemic has presented opportunities to serve a new set of problems. Both in India and across the world, it is not just startups but also the startup mindset that is being adopted to deal with the pandemic. Mr. Tata is specifically betting on the role of India's youth and their power, potential and purpose in India's progress. In fact, he is of the opinion that out of this adversity will come some very interesting and maybe revolutionary solution. Catch the conversation of Your Story Shraddha Sharma and Mr. Tata exclusively on Your Story.
Abhinav Lal, the co-founder and CTO of Practo, has always believed in the importance of going deep into one expertise to solve real-world problems. In fact, he always had this constant hunger to make things better, which eventually shaped his career. And perhaps that is how he went from learning to code at the age of 9 to building Practo while he was still in college. Today, his startup is not only the leading healthcare platform in the world, but is also helping people make better healthcare decisions. Read more on this and Abhinav's journey of how he built Practo in this week's Techie Tuesday.
SaaS startup Postman recently raised $150 million in its Series C round. The funding round was led by New York City-based venture capital and private equity firm Insight Partners. With this latest round, Postman's valuation touched $2 billion to enter the elite unicorn club. Recently, Your Story's founder and CEO Shraddha Sharma got into a conversation with Postman's founder Abhinav Asthana to understand the story behind the multi-billion-dollar SaaS growth. Initially headquartered in Bangalore, Postman shifted its base to San Francisco in 2017 to better serve the needs of its community and to be closer to its target client base. From Basti to San Francisco, read the untold story of Postman's CEO only on yourstory.com.
Dhruva founder and CEO Jaspreet Singh knows a thing or two about success. After all, he has built one of the first Indian-origin software unicorns. His company, which was founded in 2008, has so far seen 3 pivots, and it raised $130 million last June as part of its Series G funding to enter the elite unicorn club. But according to Jaspreet, it's not just all hustle and hard work. There's one more thing which plays a key role in an entrepreneur's success, and that is a good chunk of luck. Jaspreet says, no matter how great your wings are, if you want to jump off the mountain and fly, you still need the wind, and the timing has to be right. Here Jaspreet share more such insights in an exclusive interaction with Your Story. That's all for this week. For more updates on the current situation, stay tuned to Your Story's help desk.
For more such videos, news, updates from the Indian startup ecosystem, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.